Yo, what is up guys? It's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the time warp screen filter on TikTok. Okay, so a couple of months ago we had the time warp scan filter, and this is a variation of that. So I'm going to be showing you how to get that now. So if you're on the TikTok camera, you can see it says effects there at the bottom left hand corner. If you go ahead and tap on effects, you can see in the first row here, the fourth option there is the time warp screen filter. So if I go ahead and tap on that, you can see this is what it looks like. So you can do some cool effects with this filter, and it turns out pretty cool no matter what you do. So I think the time warp scan filter went from the top, this one goes from the side. So you can go ahead and record your video using the filter like this, and you can put it on other objects, I suppose, and do different things with it. So let's say you're not finding the filter from within this effects panel over here. What you can do is you can go out of the TikTok camera, and then from the home page or your profile page, tap on the discover option, which is that magnifying glass icon, and then in the search bar you just want to type time warp screen, tap on the top result, and there you can see it says effects and then time warp screen. And you can see if you go ahead and tap on that, it's going to take you to the effects page where you can go ahead and add it to your favorites. You can have a look at what other people are doing with the filter, so you can do things like this, which is pretty cool. So you can get some inspiration from those videos. And if you want to go ahead and record, you can tap the record button at the bottom and then go ahead and record your clip. So that's pretty much it. That's how you get the time warp screen filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and trends. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.